this pack you'll find within the content folder there's the learning pack items, which consists of the grab stick animation, blueprints for all the existing color-coded drums, and the drumstick pickup. You'll find in the level pack is the learning level, all the materials for the drums, the single drum mesh, all the parts for the player component, and all the sounds you need that are attached to the drums. In Virtual Reality BP, there's the motion controller pawn and the motion controller drummer. These are essentially the same but can be modified two different ways. Within the content folder, in the learning pack items, you can find the drums. If we open up the blueprint folders, we can see the simple piece of blueprinting that incorporates the sound when the stick overlaps the actor. Within the Virtual Reality BP folder, under Blueprints, in the Motion Controller pawn, we can see how these simple pieces of blueprint incorporate the sound and animations for the hi-hat, bass drum hammer inputs, and the bass drum hammer sounds. These controller functions can be manipulated from in the project settings and under inputs. This is where you'll find all the controller inputs that you can change. You can make them whatever you want. Within the BP cube pickup, in the Blueprints folder for Virtual Reality BP, you can find the small piece of code that enables the player to pick up this default cube. Within the learning pack items, under Blueprints, and in the BP light stick, you'll find our altered code that enables us to pick up our own static mesh component with our own drumstick. In the viewport, you can change out the materials of this item. The same can be said for the drums. Under the viewport tab within the blueprint, we can see our drum has a static mesh and its texture. The material and mesh can be changed to your own drums that you import into Unreal Engine, or other items that you want to incorporate these blueprints into. There's no limit to doing this with drums. These same rules can apply to many other implementations within Unreal Engine. The purpose of this pack is for people to learn, and it's for early learners as well. If you're an experienced Unreal Engine user, this might not be up your alley, but for new VR users and new Unreal Engine users, this is a really great place to start, especially if you're overwhelmed or feel a little intimidated by Unreal Engine's heavy workflows.